In this video, I will share with you our 20 reasons why we invest in residential property and why you should really consider it too. So, when you start, it is a great way to start a second source of income. You obviously do not have to quit your day job to get this going either. Plus, it is an easy way to get your money to start working for you instead of you working for your money. And with the right skill sets, you can minimize your risk while at the same time increase your growth. Or in simpler terms, spend less or even none of your own money and make more money. Which brings me to reason number 3. You can use other people's time, effort and money to grow your wealth. In fact, you don't even need money. A bank will lend it to you. And as for a deposit, there are other ways to get your deals done, legal structures and so on, so you don't even need a deposit. And most people don't know this, but there are many ways where you don't even need a bank. Then, it's conservative. Property investment has a long history of success. It is linked with inflation, making it steady and stable, and not volatile like so many other types of investment. To prove this, the bank is willing to take property as security against a loan, which they will not do with any other classes of investment, thus making it reasonably easy to get phenomenal results. It is long-term and can continue once you're gone. If you do the work now, not only can you become financially free, but your family can receive a passive income each month, even if you are dead. Now, property has a massive profit potential. With property investments, a 50, 70 or even 80% growth is not uncommon, compared to other forms of investment where you struggle to get a mere 8% over the last 5 years. It is even possible to get an infinite return on your investment with property, on condition that you know what you are doing and you are doing it right. And speaking of doing it right, the tax advantages. If you structure this whole thing correctly, never pay estate duties, capital gains or even income tax. And another great thing about property is that it is easily available, high in demand, and with a wide variety of options to choose from at any given time. Big or small, old or new, move in, fix me up, you name it, it's available. And people will always need a roof over their heads. And with the right people on your team, it can be easily managed as well. Now, property is easy to compare, control, improve, outperform general averages, and also it's easy to get a hold of your money. And last but not least, you can negotiate almost every aspect of the deal, from the owner to the bank. And this will always have a massive impact on your results at the end of the day. And that's it. That's my 20 reasons. Let me know in the comment section if you can think of another reason why property is a good investment.